How to obtain the total numbers of rows from a CSV file in Python. I'm using Python, Django framework, to read a CSV file. I pulled just 2 lines out of this CSV as you can see. What I have been trying to do is store in a variable the total number of rows the CSV also. How can I get the total number of rows? I have tried. You need to count the number of rows. Using sum with a generator expression makes for an efficient counter, avoiding storing the whole file in memory. If you already read 2 rows to start with, then you need to add those 2 rows to your total. Rows that have already been read are not being counted.
The 29th of October 2018 edit. Thank you for the comments. I tested several kinds of code to get the number of lines in a CSV file in terms of speed. The best method is below. Here is the code tested. The result was below. In conclusion, sum 1 for line in F is fastest. But there might not be significant difference from len f.read lines. Sample_submission.csv is 30.2 MB and has 31 million characters.
To do it, you need to have a bit of code like my example here. I hope this helps everyone.
Several of the above suggestions count the number of lines in the CSV file. But some CSV files will contain quoted strings which themselves contain new line characters. MS CSV files usually delimit records with \r/n, but use \n alone within quoted strings. For a file like this, counting lines of text, as delimited by new line, in the file will give too large a result. So for an accurate count you need to use csv.reader to read the records.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribe link.